morning, I'm Rini Gupta, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, FICCI forecasts India's GDP growth at 7% for FY25. Dyson launches a customizable on-track headphones with ANC. MSI launches a festive offers on laptop and gaming handhelds. Microsoft's AI-powered Canva-like designer app lands iOS and Android. Anthropic releases a Claude app for Android. WhatsApp introduces a favorite feature of quick access in chats and calls. Boat to launch Nirvana Space, TWS and more. The Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry has released its Economic Outlook Survey, projecting a 7% growth rate of India's GDP in the fiscal year 2024 and 25. The forecast comes amid expectations of recovery in the agriculture sector and continued growth in the industry and service sectors. The survey predicts an annual median GDP growth at 7% of 2024 and 25, reflecting confidence in the economy's recovery and the growth potential, expected to grow at 3.7% in 2024 and 25. A significant improvement from the 1.4% growth reported in 2023 and 24. Anticipated to expand by 6.7% in the current fiscal year. Projected to grow by 7.4%, indicating robust performance in the sector. Dyson introduced its second pair of active noise cancellation headphones. Named on track to the global market, this launch follows the Dyson Zone, which featured an innovative wizard of air purification along with the headset. Dyson on-track headphones are crafted from premium materials and boost high-end finishes, ensuring both durability and comfort for the user. Available in a 4 distinct colorways: CNB copper, CNC aluminum, CNC black nickel, and the ceramic cinnabar. Users can personalize their headphones with over 2000 color combinations for the outer caps and ear cushions. The headphones feature ANC capabilities that can reduce noise up to 40 dB. This technology ensures an immersive listening experience by filtering out external sounds. Through the My Dyson app, users can monitor external noise level in real time, allowing for better control over their audio environment. Equipped with a 40mm speaker driver, the on-track headphones deliver a frequency range of 6 to 21,000 Hz, providing exceptional sound clarity and depth. From July 1st to 31st, 2024, MSI offers up to 45% discount on laptop and gaming handhelds and part of Back to School and Amazon Prime Day promotions. MSI products are now available in a Croma stores across India. Exclusive offer for Croma customers, including discount on select models and a complimentary Microsoft Office 2021 package with every laptop purchase. Free premium MSI accessories packed with the Croma models. Exclusive deals on Amazon on July 20th and 21st, 2024, with the special discounts on a wide range of MSI products. MSI Claw Series flagship Core Ultra 7 models for gaming enthusiasts and professionals, powered by advanced Intel processor. MSI Thin 15 and Thin A15 Sleek are portable laptops with powerful performance, available with the Intel and AMD processor. MSI AI Series Prestige, a 14 AI EVO and a modern 15H AI model designed for productivity and creative tasks, featuring advanced AI capabilities. MSI SWAT 16HX available exclusively at Croma includes a gaming headset and Office 2021, powered by a 14th generation processor. MSI Modern, a 15B112 MO versatile laptop for everyday tasks with the latest Intel or AMD processor. Microsoft Designer app is now officially available to all users on iOS and Android. App allows users to generate image and design using text prompt, creating items such as stickers, greeting cards, invitations, and more. It includes a prompt templates to help jumpstart the creative process and allow for the sharing for templates to collaborate on design. Users can edit and restyle images with AI, including uploading selfies and applying various styles and details. A forthcoming feature of allow users to replace image background using text prompts. Anthropic launches the Claude Android app, expanding access to its AI chatbot. The app functions similarly to the iOS version, offering a free access to Claude 3.5 Sonnet and the upgraded plans through Pro and Team subscriptions. Users can sync conversations across devices and upload photos or files on a real-time images analysis. The app includes real-time language translation, enhancing its utility for users. The app allows expertise customers to access their cloud accounts and mobile. Despite Anthropic claims of technical parity with OpenAI and Google, the Claude iOS app saw fewer downloads compared to ChatGPT's iOS app. WhatsApp introduces a feature allowing users to set certain contacts as favorites, making them easily accessible in a chat and call. User can save frequently contacted people at the top of the screen in WhatsApp chats and calls. The feature includes a favorite filter beside the exciting all unread and group filters. Users can add, manage or record their favorite contacts through settings. This feature is being rolled out gradually and will be available to all users in the coming weeks. Boat, India's leading audio and wearable brand, announces the launch of Nirvana Space, a new TWS True Wireless Studio earbuds. The Nirvana Space earbuds feature 360 a spatial audio, a cutting-edge technology from AMI Technologies. The technology uses advanced head rate transfer function modeling to create a three-dimensional sound experience, making it feel like sound is coming from all directions. Designed to immerse users in unparalleled sound quality, whether listening to music, watching movies or playing games. The 360-degree a spatial audio adapts to any audio content, ensuring a consistent immersive experience. This is Jyoti Gupta signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for your all tech updates.